China, an ancient civilization whose roots stretch back thousands of years, encompasses a world rich with customs, legends, and superstitions that are an integral part of people's lives. These superstitions are not just stories, they reflect humanity's connection to nature, the unknown, and even fate. Today, let's talk about some of the most widespread superstitions in China and how these beliefs affect people's daily lives. Firstly, the number 4. In Chinese culture, this number is considered extremely unlucky because it sounds similar to the word death in Chinese. As a result, many buildings in China avoid using the number 4 in floor numbering, skipping directly from the 3rd to the 5th floor. Some even go to the extent of avoiding mentioning this number entirely during important events like weddings or the birth of children. Conversely, the number 8 is considered the opposite of 4. It is the number of fortune and wealth because its pronunciation is similar to the word prosperity or wealth. Many Chinese strive to own phone numbers or car plates that feature the number 8. New ventures are often inaugurated on dates containing this number, hoping to attract luck and success. Another superstition involves the legend of black cats. In China, it is believed that seeing a black cat, especially at night, brings bad luck and heralds impending doom. Consequently, many people feel anxious if they happen upon these animals, believing that steering clear of them is the best way to avoid misfortune. There's also an intriguing superstition concerning scissors or knives. It is said that gifting these tools may cause a separation or severance of relationships between you and the recipient. Therefore, when someone is obliged to present them as gifts, they pay a nominal amount, as though they were sold rather than offered as gifts. But superstitions are not confined to objects alone. They extend into daily behavior. For instance, during the Chinese New Year period, cleaning or disposing of trash is considered extremely inauspicious. Why? Because it is believed that doing so sweeps away the good luck brought by the new year. Thus, many families postpone cleaning activities until the days following the celebrations. As for dreaming about hair, seeing it being cut or falling out in a dream is considered a warning of impending troubles or crises. Therefore, some individuals pay special attention to dream interpretation, taking them quite seriously. These beliefs, though they may seem strange or illogical to some, have deep historical roots. Some date back to ancient philosophies like Confucianism and Taoism, where nature was intertwined with humanity, and mysterious phenomena were explained through stories and legends. In the end, superstitions in China are not merely transient beliefs, but part of the cultural and personal identity of the people. While many have abandoned these ancient beliefs in the modern era, some remain connected to them out of respect for tradition or to avoid any potential misfortune. What do you think? Do you believe there's a hidden force behind these superstitions, or are they merely a reflection of a rich and creative culture?